MotorWeek is made possible by TireRack.com, Hum by Verizon, RockAuto.com, State Farm, and WeatherTech.
We've been getting our hybrid driving on in this 2017 Kia Niro for almost a year now. And over the 20,000 miles we've managed during that time, we're seeing more and more Niros on the roads, most wearing the same crimson red as our test car. Our current mileage average from this 1.6-liter i4-based hybrid is 43.5 miles per gallon. The powertrain puts out more than adequate power, and the Niro remains surprisingly fun to drive. Kia must have heard our complaints about braking feel, as there's now a recall in place with a software update designed to add confidence.
We've been able to spend quite a bit of time behind the wheel of this Kia Niro. One thing we noticed from the very beginning was its less than stellar regenerative braking feel. Luckily, we live in an era where a software update can fix that, and the one that we got seems to have done the trick. It's not a dramatic improvement, but I will say it's easier to gauge stopping distance and stop-and-go situations in the city, and ultimately it's safer.
We'll drop in on the Toyota Camry and the Subaru Crosstrek on our next MotorWeek long-term road test update.